Congratulations on completing your acupuncture treatment. I'm thrilled to hear about your recovery and your journey toward wellness. Acupuncture isn't just for pain relief, but it's also a powerful way to keep your body in balance, prevent future issues, and support overall health. Prioritizing ongoing wellness is just as important as achieving relief. What can acupuncture do for you? Supports natural healing, enhances circulation, reduces inflammation, and strengthens immunity. Like a multivitamin for your body, boosts energy and mental clarity. Especially helpful for women in menopause and older adults who need extra vitality. Prevents pain from returning. Essential for athletes and active individuals to stay pain-free. Enhances emotional well-being. Supports mental health by reducing stress, preventing anxiety attacks, and improving sleep quality for those with insomnia. To keep feeling your best, we recommend acupuncture sessions on a regular schedule. Book your maintenance session today and continue prioritizing your health. What is the best acupuncture maintenance schedule for wellness? General wellness and prevention. Once a month, 2 helps maintain balance, reduce stress, boost immunity, and prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. Stress management and emotional well-being every 2 weeks is ideal for those with high-stress lifestyles to calm the nervous system and enhance mental clarity. Women's health like menopause, hormonal balance, etc. Every 2 weeks to supports hormone regulation, reduces hot flashes, improves sleep, and boosts energy. Elderly and vitality support. Every 2 weeks too helps with joint stiffness, circulation, and cognitive clarity to maintain quality of life. Active individuals and athletes like golf, pickleball, tennis, etc. Every week to prevent injuries, relieves muscle tension, and enhances recovery. Chronic conditions or pain management 2 to 3 times per week. If you have chronic pain, arthritis, or autoimmune conditions, more frequent sessions. Relief and prevent flare-ups. Do you have any question? Drop a comment below. We're here to support your long-term well-being.